अब सही है, ठीक है। स्टेप डेरिवेशन मेथड स्टार्ट करें हम। x की वैल्यू है 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and frequencies are 20, 24, 40, 36 and 20. फॉर्मूला अपना वही रहेगा, x bar equals to a plus sigma f d dash upon n into c. Here a equals to assume mean. एफ डी हो गया आपका मल्टीप्लाई बाय डेरिवेशन मल्टीप्लाई बाय फ्रीक्वेंसी। Derivation is multiply by frequency. N equals to, it is the total of your frequency and C is common factor है आपका। अब देखिए यहाँ पे सबसे पहले we are just find out the A. For the A we have to assume X mid value. The formula of mid value is MV equals to L1 plus L2 upon 2. Here this is L1, it's L2. So we have to total 0 plus 10 upon 2. It's 5. 10 plus 20 upon 2, 30 upon 2, it's 15. 20 plus 30 upon 2, 50 upon 2, 25. 40 plus 30 upon 2, that is 35. And 45. Now we have to assume, we assume 25 for the derivation x minus a. So we deduct the value of x from a. 5 minus 25 is minus 20. 15 minus 25 is minus 10. 25 minus 25, 0. 35 minus 25 plus 10. 45 minus 25, 20. Now we needed d dash. It's d, we needed d dash. D dash equals to x minus a upon c. C is a common factor. So we have to divide d with the common factor. So we have to taking c here. C equals to 10. So we divide the d with the 10. 20 is divided by 10, minus 2. Minus 10 divided by 10, minus 1. 0. 10 is divided by 10, 1. 20 is divided by 10, 2. Now we needed sigma fd. So we multiply frequency with the d dash. Here the frequency is 20, d dash is minus 2. So 20 into 2 minus 40. Here frequency 24, d dash is 1. So minus 24. 40 into 0, 0. 36 and 40. Clear? Now sigma fd dash. 64 माइनस प्लस के आपके पास है 76. So remaining 6 and 6, 12. Okay, remaining कितना हो गया? 12. So according to the formula, A कितना है आपका? What is A? It's 25 plus sigma ft dash is 12 and n. So we have to total n. Sigma f equals to n. 4, 6, 10. Carry 1. 3 to 5, 9. Or 3, 12. Or to 14. It's 140. 12 upon 140. Into C is 10. Is it okay right now? Now we cross 0 from 0. When we divided 12 by 14 point, it's 120 divided by 14. It's, I think, 8 times. 8 4 ja 32. 0.8.57. So it's 6.86. 0.86. So 25 plus 0.86 equals to 25 point. It's 25.86. Okay. Now you write down in your copies. Are you note down in your copy? Okay, now we will solve the next one. The second question is, we have to take an example. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. And frequencies are 1, 4, 2, 1 and 6. So we have to solve this question with the help of step derivation. The formula is x bar equals to a plus sigma f d dash upon n into c. First of all, we just find out the mid value. The formula of mid value is L1 plus L2 upon 2. Here this is L1, it's L2. So we add 0 plus 10 upon 2, it's 5. 10 plus 20 upon 2, 30 upon 2, 15. 30 plus 20 upon 2, 50 upon 2, it's 25. 30 plus 40 upon 2, 70 upon 2, it's 35. 40 plus 50 upon 2, 90 upon 2, it's 45. Now it's x. Now we needed d, derivation. For find out the derivation, we just assume any number from mid value. What will we assume? Okay, again we just assume the 25 here. For derivation, x minus a. क्या हो गया? Okay. Now x minus a. So we deducted 5. Okay, it's minus 20. 15 minus 25. 25 minus 25, 0. 35 minus 25, 10. 45 minus 25, 20. Okay. Now we require d dash. The formula of d dash is x minus a upon c. Here we taking c equals to 10. So we divided d with the 10. Minus 20 divided by 10, minus 2. It's minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now we required fd. So we multiply f with the d dash. 1 multiplied by minus 2, minus 2. 4 multiplied minus 1, minus 4. 2 multiplied by 0, 0. 1 multiplied by 1, it's 1. 6 multiplied by 12, it's 12. Now we have to add this sigma fd dash. So we receive minus 6 and plus 13. So it's plus 7. According to the formula, x bar equals to, we assume 25 plus sigma fd is 7, and for n we just total the f. 5, 7, 8 or 6, 14. It's 40. Common is 10. 2 5 ja 10. 2 7 ja 14. Okay, so 25 plus 1 equals to 26. Okay. Okay, solve. It's 25 plus 5 equals to, x bar equals to 30. Okay. Now you have to write down in your copies. हो गया नोट डाउन? ओके, हो गया कंप्लीट? ओके, नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल देखिए, क्वेश्चन थर्ड है आपका। एक्स वैल्यूज है 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20, and frequencies are 2, 4, 1, 2, 1. The formula of step derivation, x bar equals to a plus sigma f d dash upon n into c. Again we just find out the mid value. The formula of mid value is L1 plus L2 upon 2. Here it is L1, it's L2. So we plus 0 plus 4 upon 2. 4 upon 2 equals to 2. 4 plus 8 upon 2, 12 upon 2. So it's 6. 8 plus 12 upon 2, 20 upon 2, 10. 12 plus 16 upon 2, 28 upon 2, 14. 16 plus 20 upon 2, 36 upon 2, it's 18. Okay? Now we assume it's now x. So we assume a number from the number of x. Okay, we assume 10 here. So for D, x minus a. Now 2 minus 10, it's minus 8. 6 minus 10, minus 4. 10 minus 10, 0. 14 minus 10, 4. 18 minus 10, 8. Now we find out D dash. The formula of D dash is x minus a upon c. Here we take 4 as common number. So we divided D with common factor 4. So minus 8 is divided by 4 minus 2. Minus 4 is divided by 4, it's minus 1. 0. 4 is divided by 4, it's 1. 8 is divided by 4, 2. Now FD dash. So we multiply the frequency with the D dash. Here 2 is multiplied by minus 2, minus 4. 4 is multiplied by minus 4, it's minus 4. 1 is multiplied by 0, 0. 2 multiplied by 1, 2. 1 multiplied by 2, 2. Now we add this. Sigma f d dash equals to minus 8 and plus के digits are plus 4. Okay, so we find out minus 4. According to the formula, A is 10 plus minus 4, N is 6, 7 to 9 or 10. Into common factor is 4. Okay. Two 5 ja 10. 2 2 ja 4. 4 2 ja minus 8 upon 5. So it is 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30. Now 10 plus 1.6 equals to 11.6. Okay. Now you write down in your copy. डालिए, ठीक है. Now I am giving some questions for homework. ब्लड आ रहा है. सर ये ब्लर आ रहा है, स्क्रीन ब्लर है. क्लियर है. ये तो हो गई क्लास से स्टॉप करने का. हाँ.